Today I will show you how to increase health in Killer Bean Unleashed game. So I will show you how to increase health from 100 health to 200 health in this game right now. As you can see, I have 200 health right here. Everyone, 200 health. That is the red arrow that I'm showing you. So I will show the next step how to get 200 health in Killer Bean Unleashed right now. So you're going to go to this page in Killer Bean right now, guys. Yes, this is right at the start of Killer Bean. So going to click on play right now, everyone. So click on play. Now I need you to select this level, guys. Star level 1. So select star level 1 now, guys. Now you're going to see the I select the icon on the left to activate it for 1 day. So you're going to click on this bullet icon right over the left, right. Yes, everyone. So I'm going to show you make you get a better understand with the red arrow. So you're going to click on that first bullet right here, that the red arrow that I'm pointing on. Then you're going to watch a video to activate it. Yes, everyone. So you're going to watch some ads to unlock these menu right here, guys. These bullet menu. It give you a better chance to win the level in Killer Bean Unleashed. So make sure you connect to a strong internet so you can watch these video ads to unlock it now, everyone. So the next is the second icon that you're going to open right now is coming, guys. This is the second icon. L to power up. You see that arrow that I'm pointing on? L to power up 1. So this, guys, want to give also 200 health so we can get to play in this Killer Bean Unleashed. So this going to give me a better chance. So if 100 life run out, I have the next 100. So it activate as you see right there. Open it now, guys. You're going to click on play back again. Click on any story level that you want to play because you're going to see this come up, guys. As you see, 200 health, guys, in this Killer Bean. So that is a metal you use to unlock 200 health, guys. You can unlock armor. Guys, after you finish your that you're seeing, guys, you're going to see that you activate the weapon in Killer Bean Unleashed. Yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.